Do you ever feel like your heart is guarded, preventing you from forming deeper connections? Imagine the freedom of fully experiencing and sharing your emotions, building stronger, more authentic relationships. 1. Understanding your emotional barriers. What if the key to emotional availability lies in recognizing your own emotional barriers? Start by identifying what holds you back. Is it past trauma, fear of vulnerability, or societal conditioning? Understanding these barriers is the first step toward breaking them down. Reflect on past experiences that may have shaped your emotional responses. Journaling can be a powerful tool here. Write about your feelings and try to identify patterns. Once you recognize these barriers, challenge them. Ask yourself if these fears are rational or if they're holding you back from meaningful connections. This process requires honesty and patience, but it's the foundation of becoming more emotionally available. 2. Embracing vulnerability. Could embracing vulnerability be the secret to deeper connections? Embracing vulnerability means allowing yourself to be seen, imperfections and all. It's scary, but it's also liberating. Start by sharing small personal stories with trusted friends or family. Notice how it feels to open up. Vulnerability is about authenticity. It's okay to express your fears, joys, and dreams. Remember, vulnerability fosters trust and intimacy. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Gradually, you'll find that people respond positively to your openness, paving the way for stronger, more genuine relationships. 3. Practicing self-compassion. How can self-compassion transform your emotional availability? Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. It's about forgiving your mistakes and recognizing your worth. Start with daily affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. When you encounter setbacks, resist the urge to be self-critical. Instead, practice positive self-talk. Meditation and mindfulness can also help cultivate self-compassion. By being gentle with yourself, you become more open to receiving and giving love, making emotional availability a natural part of your life. 4. Active listening skills. Ever wondered why some conversations feel so fulfilling? The secret often lies in active listening. Active listening involves fully focusing on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. It's about being present in the moment. Practice this by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and providing feedback during conversations. Avoid interrupting or planning your response while the other person is speaking. By showing genuine interest in others' words, you create a safe space for them to share openly. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also makes you more emotionally available. 5. Managing stress and anxiety. Could managing stress be the key to unlocking your emotional availability? Stress and anxiety often act as barriers to emotional openness. They can make you feel overwhelmed and disconnected. To manage stress, incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Try deep breathing exercises, yoga, or mindfulness meditation. These practices help calm your mind and body, making it easier to connect with your emotions. Regular physical activity and a healthy diet also play a crucial role in stress management. By reducing stress, you create a more balanced emotional state, enhancing your ability to be present and available for others. 6. Setting healthy boundaries. How can setting boundaries enhance your emotional availability? Healthy boundaries are essential for maintaining emotional well-being. They protect your energy and ensure that your relationships are balanced. Start by identifying your limits and communicating them clearly to others. It's okay to say no when something doesn't feel right. Respect your own needs and prioritize self-care. Boundaries also mean recognizing when to step back and recharge. By setting and respecting boundaries, you create a safe space for yourself and others, fostering trust and emotional openness. 7. Developing emotional intelligence. What if enhancing your emotional intelligence could unlock deeper connections? Emotional intelligence involves recognizing, understanding, and managing your emotions, as well as empathizing with others. Practice self-awareness by regularly checking in with your feelings. Identify what triggers certain emotions and how you respond to them. Develop empathy by trying to see things from others' perspectives. This not only improves your relationships, but also makes you more emotionally available. The more emotionally intelligent you become, the better you can navigate your own emotions and connect with others on a deeper level. 8. Engaging in meaningful conversations. Do you crave deeper, more meaningful conversations? Shallow interactions can leave you feeling disconnected. To foster emotional availability, engage in conversations that matter. Ask open-ended questions that encourage others to share their thoughts and feelings. Share your own experiences and be willing to dive into deeper topics. Avoid superficial small talk whenever possible. Instead, focus on subjects that inspire passion and emotion. By seeking out meaningful conversations, you create opportunities for genuine connections and emotional intimacy. 9. Practicing gratitude. Can practicing gratitude make you more emotionally available? Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have, fostering a positive mindset. Start a gratitude journal and write down things you're thankful for each day. Reflect on positive experiences and the people who enrich your life. Share your gratitude with others. Expressing appreciation strengthens your relationships and opens your heart. The more you practice gratitude, the more emotionally available you become, as it fosters a mindset of abundance and connection. 10. Seeking professional help. What if seeking help is the most courageous step toward emotional availability? Sometimes, barriers to emotional availability are deeply rooted and challenging to overcome alone. Seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights and tools. Therapy offers a safe space to explore your emotions and address past traumas. It can help you develop healthier coping mechanisms and improve your emotional intelligence. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when needed. Professional guidance can be a transformative step towards becoming more emotionally available, leading to richer, more fulfilling relationships. Check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video with love.